Welcome to Klifs Tech. We're excited to launch a brand new project, and it's a big one. Our skilled team has recently acquired a full-sized bus, and the plan is to transform it into a fully functional mobile home. The transformation begins with stripping out the interior. First to go are the seats, and once they're removed, we're left with a surprisingly spacious shell. The windows are next on the list. To create a well-insulated and private interior, we'll be covering all the window openings with high-quality composite panels. That means the existing windows have to come out. Now, ideally, there would be a safer method to remove the glass. But in this case, we had no choice. The bus is far from new, and years of exposure to the elements have badly degraded the rubber seals. So, the team had to carefully break the glass and peel away the worn rubber from the frame. This approach to mobile living has deep roots, dating back to the 1960s and 70s, when Americans started converting old school buses into homes on wheels. Closely tied to the hippie movement, this trend offered a lifestyle of freedom, exploration, and independence. Back to the project. Removing the old air conditioning system and overhead luggage compartments turned out to be a major challenge. These components are heavy and awkward, and we strongly advise against tackling them alone. With those out of the way, attention turned to the ceiling. It had to be cleared of all unnecessary parts and meticulously cleaned to prep for future installations. The bus's rear stairs were cut off using an angle grinder. That space will serve a completely different function in the new layout. Meanwhile, all metal surfaces were treated to remove rust and ensure a smooth, paint-ready finish. Next, all open window frames were sealed with composite panels. To guarantee a strong and lasting bond, we used a black primer followed by high-strength adhesive. Surface preparation was key. Grinders of various types helped us achieve the required finish on metal, fiberglass, and other materials. The original roof had seen better days, so it was fully removed and replaced. The new roofing system features fully sealed seams and edges using top-tier construction silicone for optimal insulation and waterproofing. We even installed a roof hatch to allow natural light to pour into the interior. At this stage, a raw but exciting space has taken shape. spacious enough for a cozy living room, kitchen, sleeping quarters, and yes, a bathroom too. But make no mistake, this is just the beginning. The real magic is still to come. With materials now delivered, including laminated plywood, OSB, and standard plywood, we're ready to move into the next phase. We've cut and framed the sides of the bus to accommodate the new window placements. Each panel is custom measured and fitted with care. The windows themselves? Custom built from thick cast acrylic plexiglass for superior clarity and durability. They even come with built-in screens for ventilation and bug protection. We also upgraded the battery to a more powerful, long-lasting unit. As for those old decals, a combination of foil remover and steam took care of them cleanly and efficiently. Finally, fiberglass bats were installed across the interior walls and ceiling, ensuring solid insulation for all seasons. To cover the exterior, we're using composite panels, specially engineered, multi-layer building materials. These panels are designed by fusing 2 or more distinct layers, typically a lightweight core like foam or honeycomb, sandwiched between tough outer shells such as aluminum, fiberglass, or plastic. After masking the necessary gaps, we move on to sealing them with high-quality silicone. This step is essential to ensure a tight, weatherproof seal throughout the bus's body. Now, let's talk about connectivity, because even while traveling, staying online is crucial. We've installed an in-motion satellite antenna built specifically for vehicles like SUVs, vans, and buses. Thanks to its ultra-sensitive gyroscopes and advanced tracking algorithms, this antenna delivers strong and consistent satellite signal, even on bumpy roads. The sleek, aerodynamic dome design not only looks great, but also minimizes wind resistance, making it perfectly suited for high-speed travel. Inside, the system features a built-in HD satellite receiver housed in a compact control box. A MiFi antenna has also been mounted on the roof. This powerful little device boosts weak cellular signals, especially in remote or obstructed areas. It enhances the performance of mobile Wi-Fi hotspots, ensuring internet connectivity even when you're far off the grid. With the wiring completed, we're now finalizing the ceiling installation. Numerous cables stretch across the top of the bus, all neatly routed back to the main control board. This centralized setup isn't just clean, it's smart. It simplifies maintenance, improves safety, and minimizes the risk of electrical issues like short circuits or overheating. For added comfort during long trips or outdoor breaks, a retractable awning is being attached to the side of the bus. This simple but effective feature folds away neatly when not in use, but provides instant shade and shelter when needed. Perfect for roadside lunches or camping stops. Now we turn our attention to solar power. Metal angular brackets are being carefully prepped for mounting solar panels to the roof. These brackets are precision cut, measured, and installed using a combination of heavy-duty adhesive and screws, ensuring a secure and stable base. Once the panels are installed, they'll capture sunlight throughout the day and store that energy in deep-cycle batteries inside the bus. That power will run everything from lighting and ventilation to appliances and charging stations, giving the bus self-sufficiency and reducing reliance on external sources. As for the freshwater system, we've selected a food-grade plastic tank, designed specifically for mobile environments and safe for drinking water. Depending on the design layout and climate conditions, the tank will be installed underneath the bus. It's connected to a 12-volt water pump, which ensures consistent water pressure for sinks, showers, and other fixtures on board. Furnishing the mobile home becomes one of the most enjoyable parts of the process. Everything is built using lightweight but durable materials, with Baltic birch plywood being the preferred choice due to its strength and reliability. For surfaces like countertops and cabinet doors, laminated sheets or pre-finished plywood are used to ensure easy cleaning and resistance to moisture. Inside the living space, bunk beds are constructed as a smart and space-saving solution. These beds are typically mounted along one side of the bus, allowing for a narrow yet functional arrangement. Each bed is approximately 70 to 80 centimeters wide, and special care is taken to maintain enough headroom, around 60 to 70 centimeters, so the lower bunk remains comfortable for sitting. The floor is covered throughout with luxury vinyl tile, a practical choice that's both lightweight and resilient. It handles movement and temperature changes well, ideal for life on the road. The interior layout is carefully zoned for balance and functionality. At the rear of the bus lies the main sleeping area, offering privacy and quiet, along with compact wardrobes for clothing and personal storage. Toward the front, a small but welcoming living area is created, typically with a built-in sofa, a table, and hidden storage underneath. An additional bunk bed setup is added to the side of the bus, perfect for children or guests, while a fully tiled restroom is placed at the center, equipped with all necessary fixtures depending on the plumbing design. This zoning approach brings harmony to the space, making every square meter count. With most of the interior taking shape, mechanical maintenance begins to ensure the bus performs well after conversion. The air filter is replaced to guarantee clean airflow into the engine, and the oil is changed to keep everything running smoothly. Given the added weight of the build, the suspension system gets upgraded too. The old system is swapped for air bellows, an advanced air spring alternative used in premium buses for better load support and driving comfort. Now fully equipped, the mobile home is nearly ready for its first journey. Under the retractable awning, an outdoor kitchen space has been designed to make open-air cooking and dining easy and enjoyable, especially for campers and travelers. Inside, a compact kitchenette offers everything needed for meal preparation in a limited space. It includes a mini fridge, a small washing machine, essential cooking appliances, and cleverly integrated storage. Since everything runs off solar energy, all appliances are chosen for their low energy consumption and high efficiency. This entire project taps into a movement that started decades ago. Back in the 1960s and 70s, converting buses into mobile homes became popular among people looking to break away from traditional living. One iconic example was ＫENAN's brightly painted bus, Further, which he and the merry pranksters transformed into a traveling symbol of freedom and creativity in 1964. That legacy lives on today, as more and more people embrace the freedom and flexibility of life on wheels. Some do it to live more simply and affordably, others for the thrill of travel without sacrificing home comforts. Many treat their converted buses as weekend retreats, while some remote workers turn them into mobile offices. Creatives even use them as studios or workspaces on the move. No matter the reason, bus conversions offer something uniquely liberating, a way to take your life wherever the road leads. If this project inspired you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stick around. There's so much more to come as we bring this rolling dream to life.